Yo, so a lot of you in the comment section guessed Evo. Man, it's not an Evo, bro. It's not an Evo. Yo, real shit though, the Evo was my first choice. It was my first choice, but I'll explain all that in the next video. But that's not why we're here. I will show a B-roll of the car that I got. One of you actually guessed it right. But I'm telling you, listen to me. 90% of you are going to be fucking pissed. All right, you're going to be fucking pissed. You're going to see the B-roll, and I shit you not, you're going to be like this. Nigga, what the fuck? Yeah, real talk, real talk. I'll give you 3 more hints. I mean, you're going to see it anyways, but I'll give you 3 more hints that before you even see the B-roll, you're going to know. 1, driving this car, it's a completely different world. All right. 2, when I said I switched sides, I kind of meant like I was always the Brian type in Fast and Furious. And you can say now I'm a Toretto. And 3, so now you already know. So 3, this is going to give it away. We all hate these drivers. All right. There are memes all across the internet about these kind of drivers. Now, if you've watched my previous video, you already know what's going on. If you're new, then I suggest you go watch my last video. Okay, so I want you to comment your favorite quote from any movie, any genre. I am a movie fanatic. I love movies. Doesn't matter the movie, doesn't matter anything. Your favorite quote, maybe a quote that inspires you, maybe a quote that impacted you in a certain way, maybe it's the funniest quote ever. I don't care. Just a quote from any movie and who said it. Put that in the comment section down below. And I know I said I was going to pick 2 winners, but I'll actually pick 3. So the top 3 that I like the best, I will make my next video showing those quotes, and you 3 will win. Now, if you watch my last video, you already know the prizes. So if you don't like anything from those top 2 prizes, I'm also going to throw in a $50 Amazon gift card. So you can choose either one item from top tier, one item from bottom tier, or a $50 Amazon gift card. 3 of you. So you know what to do. Put it in the comment section. Sunday at 5 p.m. Mountain Time. So Sunday at 7 Eastern is when I will stop it, and I will pick the top 3, my top 3. And then on Monday or either Tuesday, I'll make a video showing the winners. I'll get that stuff either shipped out, whether you pick the prize or the Amazon gift card. I'll get that shipped out to you. All right. So that is what I want you to do. But yep. So you want to see the car because you know what it is, and y'all gonna be fucking pissed. But yeah, here it is.